charming Mumbai ka Munda. Before becoming a television actor, he was a VJ with Zee Music. And in 2014, he won the Best Actor Award for one of his popular shows. And in 2015, he debuted in Bollywood. He is known to be blatantly honest, which lands him in trouble many times. But he's also a lady killer. With him, we have one of his best friends and his co-actor from his very popular show, the pretty, petite, talented girl born in Shimla. She has won Miss Shimla and along with that, many other beauty pageants. And now she has gone on to being one of the leading actresses of Indian television and she gives a lot of Shakti to all the women out there. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to welcome the handsome and charming Karan B. Grover and the woman of substance, Rubina Dilek. That was quite an entry. You were like jumping like a bunny. What was that?
Because for the first time, Barbies has officially appreciated me and called me handsome. And she hasn't called me mean, insensitive, rude, nothing of that. I'm not a brat.
But abhi, sachai to sachai hoti na. I know the truth is bitter, but don't worry.
It's okay.
You're on my show and you're the handsome and talented Karan B. Grover.
No autographs. Bas, बैठ जा.
But anyway, you're looking gorgeous. I love the color you're wearing. And I'm so happy to have you on my show. So tell me one thing. Where's Bipasha Basu?
What? What were you doing with Bipasha Basu?
I wish I was doing something, but this is the only question I get asked wherever I go. कि बिपाशा मैम कैसी हैं?
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं वो वाला करण नहीं हूँ.
तू हमारे वाला करण है, please.
Exactly. मेरे abs नहीं है, मेरे tattoo नहीं है.
Our precious Karan.
Karan V. Grover, to be specific.
Yeah.
नहीं, because बेचारा जहाँ भी जाता है उसको यही पूछा जाता है ना, इसलिए कि where is Bipasha ma'am?
नहीं, I don't mistake you for anybody else.
You better not. You worked with me. You know me for years.
Exactly. Please brief us about this equation. Please brief us.
Arey, it started a long time ago. We were shooting Punarviva season 2.
Yeah.
And Rubina was there. She was playing the love of my life, of course. And I was gonna leave my wife and come to her, and I kept longing for her for years. So that is the
I was your college sweetheart.
college sweetheart.
Yeah.
We were lovers.
Oh my.
And
Yeah.
in the show. And then we met on the sets, and I think we just clicked from day one.
Yes, absolutely. From
You
day
tell
one.
us.
From day
How
one.
did you click with this brat?
On an intellectual and spiritual level, if I'm not doing that.
Did I hear the right thing? Spiritual level.
Remember my yoga time.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Yes,
I need to know more about this.
Yes. I think thanks to you, after almost a year, he's shown up.
Oh my God.
Yes, with my tedious efforts of calling him back to back, fixing appointments to meet him.
Appointments with a friend?
Yes, please, Yana, quote unquote. 5 times and
No.
3 times back to back in a row. Then pleading him, can we please meet? All the time I could only hear, or the reason that he gave me, आज तो baby I'm busy. आज तो मैंने plan बना दिया. कल तो I am going to my mom's place.
Oh,
Tomorrow I have some friends gathering.
Wow.
Let's meet next week.
वो next
पक्का.
week कौन से week में था आया?
I think 6 महीने तो हो चुके हैं, वो week आया ही नहीं.
चलो, but
Anyhow, okay, so let's come
मुझे-
back to the spiritual.
To make you feel better, let me tell you, it's not thanks to me, it's thanks to him. He only told me that I would love to come on the show with Rubina.
Now say.
See, I took
True
your
love.
side.
I wanted to show the whole world that I'm hanging around with Rubina.
And Ruby, you tell us something about your journey. How's it been? How did you get into acting?
2008 early. A raw, fresh apple was picked from Himachal Pradesh,
That's
got
you.
in here, squeezed.
That's
and
you.
Oh my God.
and
उसका apple
here I
juice
am.
बना दिया.
Apple juice
I can't imagine Rubina
ये
being
आदमी-
plucked and squeezed. I mean, Ruby, I'm getting very weird visuals.
ये आदमी तो कुछ और ही सोच रहा है.
हाँ, plucked and squeezed. Oh my God, अच्छा वही Facebook पे है. नहीं,
नहीं,
मतलब
So, to justify that and validate that, please go back and see my pictures 10 years back.
You were like an apple. Now you're like
Really?
now which fruit do you look like?
Yeah, now what do you look?
I look like a cherry.
Oh.
I had a very bad one again, but I'm not correct.
We are getting very bad thoughts.
Yeah.
Then tell us about your
I
journey.
don't get good thoughts only.
You're a brat, na? Brad Pitt. So
Pittega. Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt.
So tell us about your journey.
So, yes, I started my career with Choti Bahu on Zee TV and then did 5
But
shows
was
back to back.
acting always on the cards?
Yes, back
Okay.
of my mind,
Nice.
definitely. And yeah, it is said, no, Honhar Veerwan ke hoth chikne paat. So, my parents knew that, the art and the culture is her way, and they have always, till date, supported me. And that's how I took this journey off, and here I am.
And I believe you've also been Miss Himachal.
Yeah. Please Google पे जाके
Really?
pictures मत निकालना. I was Miss Shimla International.
Phone का
I was Miss Shimla International.
What is Shimla International?
वो
Shimla
शिमला के
is
बाद
local.
शिमला के बाद
Nobody
international.
takes a visa to go to Shimla.
Please मेरे गांव आने के लिए वीजा लगता है.
You're Shimla
Only
International.
Shimla International, okay, but that's nice. So she always had it in her.
Yeah, Miss Shimla International लगता है, please.
Now you're Malad International.
Yeah, 2004, and then I was Miss North India 2007, and
nice.
yeah.
तब तक ये एप्पल राइप हो रहा था, प्लक नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि प्लक वो 2010 में हुआ. Yeah.
2008.
8 में हो गया. Oh.
So whatever, that's how the journey began. And
Have you met her? She's Miss Pune International.
Wow, 2 beauties.
I'm
Miss
Yeah.
Pune.
Mr. Goregaon International.
No, but sorry to say, this man has also taken part in Glad Rags, I believe.
Don't say all that.
Glad
Don't
Rags
say all that
local.
here. Local.
Local na? He can't
Yes, I
stand
have
it to
been
international
Miss Pune,
beauties.
Miss Pune, no international.
Glad Rags Mumbai.
Glad Lags.
But still, that was local, it's okay.
Yes. So you've also had a long journey.
Yeah.
Glad Rags, VJing, what else? Then how did acting happen?
So acting, obviously, once I started participating in shows to host, I always wanted to audition. And I remember this is the first thing I had written in my answer also for Glad Rags and Grasim, that I want to be an actor. Then they actually asked me, the judges actually asked me, then what are you doing here? I was like, I'm very tall, so they told me I can be a model also. So the thing is, I always wanted to be an actor, and I've hardly modeled in life.
Okay.
I've hardly walked shows. I've
Okay.
hardly done ad films. And I just started auditioning here. My complete process has been exactly casting and auditioning.
Okay, that's lovely. So yeah, I mean, whoever the little birdie is, that doesn't matter. But
Yeah.
I've got some great details on you.
Hey?
But-
I don't know what are my details.
You can begin with him. I mean, you can continue with
I
him.
think one
Come
more
back.
thing that you both have in common is you all both are very adventurous. Like you
Oh, yeah.
love adventure. Every
Absolutely.
birthday he takes off.
Yeah.
He travels.
Yeah.
He never
He's-
gives a party and you call him, he's
Uh-huh.
not available.
Very true. वो तो मैं
Yeah.
agree
Yeah.
करती
So
हूँ.
that's not called
That-
being adventurous. That's like,
But he loves traveling.
you can travel matlab before and after your birthday, let the, let all
No,
the friends
actually,
come and
on
celebrate.
on that, it's a very well thought of thing. I completely agree to what Ruby is saying. Because a lot of people, including my parents, tell me this, that you can travel before and after your birthday also. But genuinely, when I'm 50 years of age or 60 years of age, I want to look back on all my birthdays and see the places that I have actually seen over the years. And I want to try and cover the world.
Yes, yes. He's
So
always
that
doing
makes me maybe sound selfish and not party on my birthday with everybody who wants to party. But I will happily do it a month before or a month after. On your birthday, we can drink. I have no problem.
it. What are your favorite destinations?
I am a bit of an exotic traveler, and
Oof.
my favorites so far have been the Caribbean islands.
Lovely,
Oh
lovely.
yes, beautiful.
But I believe you have a water phobia.
2008. Every morning I used to take a bucket challenge.
Apple year, na?
Acha?
Bucket challenge?
Apple year था ना?
Apple year, till the season year. Bucket challenge माने मैं मग्गे से नहाती थी, मैं शावर के नीचे नहीं नहा पाती थी, इतना मेजर वाटर फोबिया था. And उसके बाद I plunged myself in the society वाला pool with
with the tire.
Float.
बच्चे लोग का float.
floater, बच्चों के floater ऐसा लगा के I have to learn swimming. कल दिन को गोवा जाऊंगी अपने friends के साथ party करने. If I won't be able to swim, what is the fun?
So
that
you
was my
over
heart
it now? Are you over it now?
No, I am not completely.
And Karan, you love traveling as well. Tell me some of your favorite destinations.
But favorite destination, as much as I like nature, I do like a lot of man-made cities as well. So I love this new place that I discovered recently for my birthday. It's a little extension of Salzburg and Innsbruck in Austria. It's called Hallstatt. It's a beautiful village by the river, and it is literally one of those picture-perfect rivers you see, cities you see, where a train comes across the river, you get off, you sit in a boat, you cross the river, and the city is on the other side.
Wow.
Wow.
And then you go up a mountain to get into their cathedrals and everything. So it's beautiful. As much as I love that, I love Las Vegas equally.
That's great.
Yeah.
So let me ask you too, if you were given a magical car, where would you go?
I am going to the mountains. He loves mountains.
Uh-huh.
So yeah,
That's
he's,
nice.
He's gonna just drive me into the forests and jungles and mountains and.
And you, Karan?
I'll go to Greenland. I think it's above Iceland, right? It is one place I've heard it's very difficult to go to, and since I have a magical car, I might as well go there because I assume it'll have a heater also.
Exactly, it's a magical car.
It's a
You have to
magical
go
car. So
anywhere.
I'll go to Greenland because I really want to just metaphysically understand what it is on being on top of the world, because
Wow.
it's the Arctic Circle. Something
That's
like
nice. That's what I said. You both travel a lot. I always see your
Yeah,
Instagrams. So anyway, let's get into another segment.
Okay.
Okay. That's called the skeleton check. It's like a
Skeleton
reality
check.
check.
skeleton. If you lose too much weight, you become skeleton.
It's just basically a reality check to get you guys, to get to know you guys more up close and personal.
We are very real. Not in reality shows, but
Well, we call it a reality check.
great.
Because we look deeply into your life to find out more about the real you.
Okay.
So, Rubina, tell us something about the person you are in real life. How would you define yourself? Tell your fans what you are all about in your real life.
Okay, I am a complete enthusiast and I believe in living the present. I am not a
Hey,
past.
same page.
I am not a past or a future person, and for this reason, I really cannot elaborate myself because it's all about now.
Okay, that's beautiful. And K, what kind of a person are you in real life?
I'm exactly like this here. You've seen me.
Yes.
And I don't think I have too many what do you call faces or covers or masks that I like to show different people different things.
Tell me something about both of you since you all have been friends since long. Tell us something about your friendship.
So yeah, but it's wonderful. As I said, things have to be effortless with anybody. You've seen me for years. We have an effortless relationship when it comes to meeting, not meeting, partying,
true.
coming, going, and
The bond
same-
never changes.
Yeah, the
How
same
many
with
years?
Ruby. I mean, the day one we shot together, and till date, when we meet, everything is effortless.
But anyway, what are your thoughts on marriage, both of you?
Good. They're good thoughts.
What an answer.
Good.
They're
ये
good.
तो मैं इसके पास बाद में आऊंगी. You tell me, what are your thoughts
Please,
on
you only
marriage?
tell these good
Well,
thoughts.
what does it mean to you?
I believe two people, they come together and be with each other in their journey, help each other grow, evolve, and are like the wind beneath each other's wings. So till the time you are enjoying that journey, till the time you are learning, evolving, growing, and you are helping each other know thyself more, I think marriage is just a label then.
And you, Karan, coming to you, do you believe in the institution?
Actually, I have a very simple thought, and honestly, nobody has ever asked me this before. So I don't even know how it will be perceived once it is on air. See, I believe if that is the only way two people can be together under socio-economic circumstances, a lot of people are not comfortable with a live-in. They can't explain it to their families. They don't have other places to live till the time they're married to each other. If that is the only reason you have to live with each other, then yes. To me, that's not the reason. to me, the only reason I would ever get married is if I want to have a family, I want to have babies, because of course they need to have a legal name, you know, in this country. So you cannot really have babies and not have the father around, or not give him a father's name or a mother's name. So to me, marriage is just a label that two people officially need to live together, especially when it comes to a country where live-in is not regarded as an official relationship.
Anyway, let's get into another segment called the confession box.
Confession box.
Yo, confession box. No, nothing. In my show, you don't have to get scared of anything.
I
Don't
have
fear.
to know controversy. I'm the most clean, boring Karan ever.
Clean and
Well,
boring.
don't worry, you're in safe hands. So tell me, Rubina, one thing that you would like to go back in the past and change it?
My apple cheeks.
Apple cheeks. She's stuck with apple.
Apple came in the episode again.
Apple आपका favorite fruit है.
Yeah.
And the
मेरे
same
गांव में
for
बहुत
you.
उगता है.
One thing I would like to
One
change.
thing you would like to change in the past?
I would not experiment with dancing the way I have in my past.
So tell me, one thing you like and dislike about Abhinav?
I like everything about him and I dislike nothing about him.
Oh.
What a Miss India answer you gave. ये लीजिए आपकी trophy.
इसे बोलते हैं प्यार, वो
क्या बात
romantic है,
क्या बात
romantic है. Okay, you, Karan, you have a beautiful house, a great car, a great girlfriend. Now, what's on your wish list now?
A great Hollywood film.
Oh, and then the Oscars.
Great ही जा रहे हैं तो क्रिस्टोफर नोलन चले जाएंगे सीधा.
And then the
Oscars
Oscars.
में मुझे लेकर
And then
जाएगा.
Oscars, I'll take you. Then what will my girlfriend think? What will Abhinav think? फिर किसके एप्पल निकलेंगे?
Apple making
हाँ,
great.
I'll take Abhinav with me. Safe choice.
Ruby, you. What? How is your reaction when Abhinav kisses anyone on screen?
It's like 2 seconds of silence and then you have to understand and appreciate the courage that it takes to kiss maybe the person you don't want to or maybe the person you don't like, and it is in front of a unit of 100 people, so it takes a lot of courage. So then you have great respect and understanding for that man that goes, does his job, comes back and still is the same as you have left him when the director says.
Okay, good answer. Karan, you.
As
Batao.
an actor, I'm extremely clinical about any form of emotion being portrayed by my partner, by my friends, because I'm watching it for a performance of how convincing the kiss was.
Exactly.
I'm not
And we
actually
are actors. We have
personal
to
about it at
understand.
all.
Like
Yeah,
it's,
yeah.
we also, it's our job. We should
It's as good
understand
as a
it.
murder scene or a crying scene for me here. You know, I'm not going to say तूने उसका खून कर दिया, तू कितनी गंदी लड़की है.
So, Ruby, I have heard you are a living dictionary. Give us a word which Karan and I would not know the meaning of, and you have to tell us the meaning.
Okay, so you must have not heard, वैसा? Mama, 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 mama.
ये तो मम्मा होता है और बच्चा करे तो पानी होता है. मम्मा 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 मीन्स पानी, बच्चा बोलता है.
Ozitos?
Ozitos. Ozitos. Is it a better version of dhokla or something?
Is it a Japanese dish?
Is it a word you learned in Naigaon or in international Shimla?
Okay, ठीक है. ये guess नहीं कर सकते हो तो guess this falsa magara.
What?
Hey, गंदी बातें नहीं करना. ये सब बातें नहीं करना.
तुम गालियाँ दे.
हाँ ना. नहीं ये सब क्या बातें हो रही. छी. हम ये सब repeat भी नहीं
अच्छा,
करेंगे.
meaning बता दूँ?
Please,
हाँ,
meaning
please.
बताओ.
हाँ, meaning बता दूँ? Just, you know.
Ozitos का क्या होता है?
Now.
देखा? Welcome to now. Correct बोला मैंने.
Welcome to Ozitos.
Ozitos. What
Now,
are you doing,
now,
Ozitos?
Now, moment. Are you listening and understanding what I'm trying to tell you? No? Okay. I don't give you the meaning of falsa magara.
Oh no, please.
knew
You
it's
give me
dirty.
at least, do. What
We
did
knew
I
it's
do?
dirty.
Give me at least the meaning.
Okay, so it's juicy, succulent, but tender and thin.
मैं बोला ना गंदा है.
क्या
ये
बोल
सब एप्पल से आ रहा है. ये सब एप्पल से आ रहा है.
ये apple से नहीं आ रहा.
Juicy,
उसका
succulent,
juicy
tender
तो
apple.
second बार है. Juicy तो तुम्हें second बार.
Because I call Abhinav falsa magara.
Did you learn something? आज हमारा knowledge बढ़ा है.
ये मैं किसी को बोल दूं अगर.
Will fall in love with you.
हाँ. But what
It's
if?
a compliment.
Karan, if you had to say that, how would you say it to someone?
Just tell the word to me.
Falsa magara.
और पहला वाला क्या था?
It's English?
Ozitos.
Oh, which
Ozitos.
language is this? Which language
Falsa
is this?
magara is not English.
Ozitos, you are falsa magara. Ozitos, you are falga magara.
Sounds like a market.
ऐसा लग रहा है मैं इटालियन डॉन हूँ और किसी की सुपारी दे रहा हूँ. Ozitos, you are falsa magra. Falsa magra. Falsa magra.
हे भगवान.
Coming to you, Karan. So, well, you left TV for films, right?
Oh shit.
So,
ये क्वेश्चन आ गया.
what is it like? Did you find it better to work in TV, or in film?
Actually, it's honestly speaking, your question is not correct. I didn't leave TV. I left a show which I was already shooting, but at that point in time, I had to honor my commitment elsewhere. And क्या होता है ना, कभी-कभी you take decisions जो उस समय ठीक लगते हैं, पर then maybe they don't fall the way they should have or the way you thought of. So I never left TV. I've always said TV is not my backup; it's my backbone. I am whatever I am because of TV. I'm a television actor
Yes.
who is trying to do films and trying to do web and trying to do a million other things. So sometimes your commitments clash sometimes in life, and that's what unfortunately happened last year. I think the show that we were shooting together.
Moving on.
Falsa magra.
Wasn't a falsa magra.
He's the made a different meaning of that word. Okay, that Abhinav's a fantastic photographer, but you know, I'm sure you guys did a lot of shoots together. And how many pictures of yours has he clicked?
I think above 7,000 because that's what he told me day before yesterday.
Oh my god! And Kay,
Yeah.
you you failed in the final year.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm making tension.
You got to know that. I got a KT actually.
Were you exploring your chemistry with girls instead of studying?
You know, my teacher exactly told me this. So when my teacher, I was the two students who failed the exams was me and another guy. Now the other guy was anyway failing it for 4 years, so he was expected to fail, but I was not expected to. 80 KT होती है
Yeah,
ना?
yeah, right. Don't you have
So
intelligence?
engineering में 80 KT मिलती है. So I got an 80 KT in drawing. So 80 KT is allowed to keep terms. You can keep a
Okay.
term for 6 months and then appear after 6 months.
Okay.
So when I went there for my results, the teacher takes the report like this and she gives it to me. She's like, now go flirt with girls. I'm like, ऐसी कोई report card देता है? And they're like, oh my
So
god.
वही था ना, we were exploring your chemistry with girls.
Yeah. So I did get that.
Yeah, we got to know a lot on this show, darling.
My god.
Wow, she's done
This
a lot
is the
of
confession
research.
round. Yeah.
Yeah. And what about you, Ruby? Your favorite teacher in school was Anu ma'am.
आकांक्षा.
Kanksha नहीं Anu.
ये आकांक्षा की आकांक्षा है कि उसने बोला.
Was
But
there
yes, she
any-
was my favorite. Yeah.
But
She still is my favorite.
So I think now after so much of chit chat, let's get into some fun games. Let's
Games?
have some fun.
अभी तक fun. Oh my god, my
Jaws are hurting.
oh my god, badly.
Wow, I'm glad that you're enjoying on Showbiz with
Oh,
Barbie.
yes, absolutely.
It's an honor for us.
What is the game?
So the game is a battle of wits. Since you both are intelligent, and Karan has also played a scientist in Bahu Hamari Rajnikant.
It's purely acting. Huh?
This is no. I have to give it to Karan that he's an intelligent guy, and so this is a battle of wits. I will ask you guys simple riddles that you have to solve.
Wow.
And the one who rightly solves more number of riddles wins. Okay.
What do we
There's
get?
A hamper, exactly.
Hamper?
That's what.
अभी तो मेरे को जीतना है.
So you better
मुझे आंसर बोलेगा
better.
ना?
मुझे हैम्पर
बताएगा।
चाहिए लेकिन हैम्पर में भी कुछ हुआ
मैं
तो.
तुझे दे दूंगी. पागल आधा आधा करेंगे.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है.
And a
दोस्ती मतलब दोस्ती
hamper.
दोस्ती
Okay,
नहीं रही
okay,
हैम्पर के
okay.
चक्कर में.
So basically, let's see who answers first, because the
Okay.
points will be on that.
He will
Okay.
whisper it here. मैं बता दूंगी.
No, you both have to give me the answers, then I'll
Try.
see.
No, it won't be that difficult. Try.
Okay. I'm full of keys, but I can't open any door. What am I?
Monkey. Full of keys, I can't open any door.
Come on, guys. This will decide the hamper.
क्या क्या क्या? Come again.
I'm full of keys, but I can't open any door. What am I? Monkey.
Comb.
Comb has keys.
I'm full of keys.
Okay. Should I pass?
Yeah, give us the answer.
It's piano.
Oh, but how is it she right? Keychain and piano.
No. Anyway, you can break me easily without even touching me or seeing me. What am I?
Heart.
सही में?
You can break a heart without touching.
You can break me easily without even touching me or seeing me. What am
Promise.
I? Whoa!
Promise
You
breaker
both
तूने
are-
बहुत तोड़े promises मतलब.
Promises are to be broken.
Oh yeah, but
Exactly.
I'll show you our chat. He just said that 26th we are meeting and you promised me and we did not meet.
Yeah, that's why he knows, na. He knows.
I was busy.
Okay, guys. So, what two things can you never eat for breakfast?
Hawa
Lunch and dinner.
Oh my god! I told you he's intelligent.
Hamper's coming to me.
This is as light as a feather, yet no man can hold it for long. What is it?
Breath.
Whoa! This girl
ये
is
तो तूने
also
वहाँ पढ़ लिया
damn
था, guaranteed.
intelligent.
Kidhar?
Do you
अच्छा,
know
okay.
कहाँ पढ़ा उसने? She's beauty with brains. Which month has 28 days?
All months have
February.
28 days.
He's damn good, eyes.
All months have 28. February only has 28.
So I heard only two.
No. Yeah. 3-2. Score is 3-2 right now. I am 3, you're 2.
Cracked. Okay, this is the last one.
I can win
I
this.
am winning.
You guys better fuck up. I'm the biggest alphabet as I contain the most water in the world. Who am I?
C. Hey, equal. This
What
is
is this?
C, it's C, no?
It is C.
C, I told you it was C.
It is C.
So I said C.
But दोनों ने साथ में बोला.
हाँ तो मेरा
Yeah.
तो एक पॉइंट वैसे भी ज्यादा था ना.
Okay.
क्यों, कैसे?
February का ज्यादा था मेरा पॉइंट.
Excusa? वो पहला वाला मेरा आंसर
Excusa
was
क्या होता? He has scored more than you. So I have to give the hamper to him.
या मेरा दिल बहुत बड़ा है जो ले जाओ
Thank you,
हैंड पर.
Here you go.
भगवान आपको और-
This is heavy.
Thank you.
Wishing you a good health and a good life.
Thank you. मेरा greedy side जाग चुका है और मैं तुम्हें
Yay.
कुछ नहीं दूंगा.
Okay, it's perfect for you.
Yeah, but as promised, I want to do this. This
Oh
is for
my
you.
god.
I get my yoga.
That is so nice.
So that she can do yoga when she's shooting day and night.
But let me ask you guys one last riddle. What is your health culture?
The only focus of your well-being is the culture that you follow, keeping health in the center or making it the centripetal force, because jaan hai to jahan hai.
Absolutely. I completely am with Ruby on this one. Health is the true wealth.
Yep.
True wealth.
Very
You have to. You've been given a body which is like a tool, like a machine, and you have to learn to look after it so good and so well that it lasts with you as long as it can in a healthy way.
In a healthy way.
Very good.
Yeah, and whatever it takes to do it. You know, eat clean, diet, work out, drink water, sleep right, whatever.
And anyway, coming to one last question, guys. I wanted to know that how important is your smartphones to you all? Can you all live without your smartphones? And if you had to manage without your smartphone for a day, and if it is gone, would you miss it?
I wouldn't. I have, in fact, very well lived without my smartphone for a lot of days, not one day. I just make sure I call my mother once a day because otherwise she'll kill me. Otherwise, I don't need to check my online statuses, who commented, who liked my pictures, how many
I think
times.
auntie's also given up on you. But
Yeah,
no,
she's quite
She's almost given up.
up on me. Yeah, so I can live without my smartphone and laptops for a lot of days.
And same about you.
At all not. I go off social media, I go on social media detox. I do not prefer keeping my phone next to my bed when I'm sleeping. I do not like it when it is charging. So I am not dependent on my phone, nor do I find any.
Yeah.
But that calls for a centric selfie moment.
Oh,
Alright,
wonderful.
please.
And there's one thing me and Ruby really want to tell you. Today you are looking
Falsa
Oh my god.
कोरस में करते हैं.
Thank
Chorus
God,
में.
जिसका
Today you are
meaning पता-
looking very falsa magra.
But there's one thing I want to give you guys before you leave.
एक और hamper.
Since you all both are such fit and healthy people, this is the organic supply for 1 year from the Bombay Natural Company.
Wow.
Yes. So please enjoy your healthy
Thank you,
food.
thank you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
And I heard Rubina Dilek makes the most yummiest healthy meals. So I want to come home very soon, Rubina.
Please do
Because
come.
I believe they said her meals are so yummy that you'll want to eat healthy. Okay. Bye, you beautiful.
Thank you.
You're beautiful, Pahadan.
Thank you.
Thanks to you, I got to know Rubina.
Thank you. Thank you for
I
having
was
us.
so kind to you. Please remember that.
I'm the kindest.
Yeah.
Come.
Bye.
Let's go in our new car.
See you.
Can I take the white one, right?
Take whatever you want. Well, this episode was very intriguing and lots of fun. We got to know so many interesting facts about Karan and Rubina. See you guys next week in yet another episode with your favorite celebrities, up close and personal on Showbiz with Barbies. Bye-bye. Health is a relationship between you and your body. Don't start a health regime that has an expiry date. Focus on a healthy lifestyle that lasts forever. To help you prepare for a healthy lifestyle, presenting the Health for You, India's first all-in-one healthcare app. Download the app and stand a chance to win an autographed mug by your favorite celebrities Karan V. Grover and Rubina Dilek. Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order food online.
ओए छमिया, आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है।
होली खेलने का शौक है? पिचकारी का तो दम है नहीं तेरे।
Oh, look. Down, boy, down, boy,
my
down, go,
God.
down, go, down, go. Down.
Don't fuck my hair. Hello, I'm Surbhi Chandna,
And this is Kunal Jessing.
and you can't afford to miss this exciting episode of
Showbiz with Waviz.
The Hottie Babis
Only on
IndianWikimedia.com.
Watch us, watch us.
Watch it, watch it.